Hi friends. So in the previous lecture we have seen about build automation and what are the three tools, most common tools that used for the build automation. Okay. Now let's move ahead and let's understand the key keyword in DevOps, which is CI/CD pipeline. Okay. So whether if you are preparing for an interview or if you are going to work on a DevOps project, you should be aware of CI/CD pipeline. Okay, so a continuous integration, so we are aware of this term. So what is continuous integration? Continuous integration means multiple developer are integrating their code to a single repository. Okay, then they are triggering it for build and then test, right? And what is continuous deployment? Continuous deployment means the builded code is going to be deployed to a production or released to be production or automatically. Okay, and continuous delivery was there was manual intervention was required for releasing the product. Okay, now a CI/CD pipeline is a series of steps that must be performed in order to deliver a new version of software. Okay, so this is the practice of we are talking about. So the CI/CD is combinedly used for DevOps practice for delivering any software or a product. Okay, CI/CD pipelines are a practice focused on improving software delivery throughout the software development lifecycle via automation. Okay, so this is not a traditional SDLC. This is our DevOps because we are going to achieve our SDLC via automation. Okay. Now we have already discussed about this. These are the basic phases. We haven't added continuous in before of that. So first one is plan. So projects requirement features and roadmap, what we are going to cover. Then also the plan cover which piece of code we are going to build first. Now the next phase is code. So write the code according to the plan. Then the build, compile code into a runnable instance or create a executable file and then test. Okay, now this one comes under continuous integration, means we are writing the code, building it and combining it, right? And once it is tested by our testing team, then it is released for our deployment. Okay, and then it is deployed and then it is operated and then it is monitored after that. Okay, now this phase comes under continuous delivery or continuous deployment. Okay, now this whole process makes it CI and CD pipeline. Okay, and this is the core of our DevOps practice. Now by automating CI CD throughout development, testing, production, and monitoring phases of the software development lifecycle, organizations are able to develop high quality code faster and more securely. Okay. Although it's possible to manually execute each of the steps of a CI/CD pipeline, but it will not be called as DevOps. Okay, because DevOps practice is all about automation. Okay, the true value of CI/CD pipelines is realized only through automation. Okay, so I am hoping you are clear with CI/CD pipeline, how it is used in DevOps, and also the all the phases that we have seen here. Okay, now let's move ahead and let's learn about some tools, some famous tools that is used for CI/CD pipeline. Now, first one and most popular is Jenkins. Okay, you might have also heard about it. Jenkins is an open source and cross-platform tools that offer continuous integration and also delivery. Okay, it also supports real-time testing and reporting. Okay, now next one is Circle CI. So it's an also an automation tool that allows user to automate their entire pipeline. Okay, from code creation to testing and deployment. Okay, so this is also an alternative of Jenkins. Next one is we having Travis CI. So basically a tool that allows user to sign up, link their repository, build and test apps. Okay, it integrates with common cloud repositories like GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket. Okay, now Jenkins also provide our SCM like GitHub, so it also integrates with that. Next one is Team City, so a general purpose tool that integrates with build and test tools. It keeps a history of tests, flags unstable tests, and can help identifying the exact commits that cause failures. Okay, so it's good for monitoring too. Next one is Bamboo, a tool developed by Atlassian that offers deep integration with other Atlassian products like Jira and Confluence. Okay, so I am hoping you are clear with this most popular tool for CI/CD pipelines. Okay, now let's meet in the next lecture with some another keyword used in DevOps. So till then, take care.